Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to upload high-quality videos on YouTube Shorts using your phone. First, open your phone's browser and go to the YouTube Studio website. Once you're there, sign in to your YouTube account if you haven't already. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the Create button. This will give you the option to upload a video. Next, select the video you want to upload from your files or gallery. Make sure it's in vertical format, ideally with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels to ensure high quality for YouTube Shorts. After selecting your video, give it a title. Keep it short and engaging. You can also add a caption if you like, which can help provide more context or attract viewers. Once you've done all that, just tap Upload and YouTube will process your video. It's now ready to be shared as a high-quality short. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.